Hello everyone, so today I'll be going over GCSE Physics and I'll be focusing on nuclear fission and nuclear fusion. So nuclear fission is splitting a nucleus and this releases energy. The energy can be used to heat water and to produce steam in a nuclear power station. So there are two commonly used radioactive substances in power stations, and these are uranium-235 and plutonium-239. In some elements, the nucleus is large and unstable. In nuclear fission, the nucleus of these elements split, but first it must absorb a single neutron. So once a neutron is absorbed, this triggers the nucleus to undergo fission, which is just splitting. When the nucleus splits, it forms two smaller nuclei roughly equal in size, and these are called daughter nuclei. It emits 2 to 3 neutrons as well as gamma radiation. Energy is released during nuclear fission reaction, meaning that all the fission products have got kinetic energy, telling us that there's movement. So what happens to the neutrons that are emitted? The neutrons can now be absorbed by more nuclei, for example uranium-235, and this can trigger fusion again. So after a short time, a large amount of uranium nuclei have undergone fission as well as a huge amount of energy being released. Scientists call this a chain reaction. The uses. A controlled chain reaction is used to release energy in a nuclear reactor. The explosions in a nuclear weapon is caused by an uncontrolled fission chain reaction. There are some advantages of nuclear fission. One is that only small amounts of fuel is needed and not in danger of running out. Low running costs, no gas emissions, and high output, meaning it's reliable and it's effective. However, the disadvantage of nuclear fission is radioactive waste is produced, high intermediate and low level waste. It emits ionizing radiation which is harmful to us humans. It stays radioactive for a long time. Storage needs to be secure and permanent. Power stations are expensive to build and decommission, which is just dismantling it. So nuclear fusion. In nuclear fusion, two light nuclei, for example hydrogen nuclei, are joined to form a heavier nucleus, a more heavier nucleus. Some of the mass of the nuclei can be converted into energy, which is released as radiation. Thank you everyone for listening to my video. Bye.